right, this is Miss Ukala, and we are learning about forms and how things look three-dimensional. The paper is flat, and that is two-dimensional. And then we learn about how things have shadows and depth to make them look three-dimensional. So today we're going to draw a snowman and on this blue piece of paper. If you don't have blue paper, get a colored sheet of paper and follow along. So we're going to need a white crayon, a blue crayon, and then I have a brown marker, a black marker, and an orange marker. You might use more, but this is the start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw half a circle, a half a circle, half a circle, blue. I'm going to take white, half a circle, half a circle, half a circle. So this side is going to be the shadow side, so it's going to use blue. I'm going to color it in just a little bit. If you had oil pastels, this would also work with oil pastels. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did over here with the white. Try to make them kind of match up. Just making some curved lines. That's all I'm doing is kind of curve. Kind of can be as white or you get a little bit whiter on the sides. I might come back and add some more. Then we're gonna make sure we have a shadow. So I'm gonna do, kind of looks like a backward C. I'm gonna color this in with blue. The shadow always goes on the darker side of the object. I'm gonna add like a hill. It's gonna be snowy. Us Texas people always wish we could have a snow day, but just one. Not too many, just one day. So we could stay at home and play in the snow. Alright, I'm gonna add some details to my snowman. Now I'm just gonna do a black hat, but if you have different colors, you could do a different colored hat. It would look so cool. So do a diagonal line. I'm just gonna do a rectangle on top of it. Color it in. Alright, now I'm gonna do two eyes. One, two. I'm gonna do a triangle nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. For his mouth, and then some buttons. 1, 2. He's missing some arms. I'm gonna color this in like it's a carrot. Can't really tell with this blue paper, but I know. Now I'm gonna add some arms going up. And then 1, 2, 3. Can make it a little thicker. Going up. 1, 2, 3. If you wanted to add something like a scarf, that would be okay. And I'm going to take my white crayon and I'm going to add some little snow Some snow came on his hat, a little bit on the top. I'm also going to do it on his arms. Some snow. I'm going to add some snowflakes. Just draw an X and then another line. And go boop, 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 boop. Remember, no two snowflakes are the same. They all look different. So it's okay if we do them a little bit different each time. And if you're in your head, when you're doing these snowflakes, are you thinking about Elsa? Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. Just me? That's all right. That's what happens when you have a 3-year-old. You think about all these kid movies all the time. All right. It's not exactly an Olaf, but I think this snowman looks awesome. If you want to add some trees in the background, you can. Remember, it's winter time, so they probably don't have any leaves on them. Maybe get a white crayon, draw the moon. We can always add our own details. Some people like the moon to be yellow, but the yellow's not going to show up on the blue paper, so you have to color it white first. See, it doesn't show up. Oh, that looks awesome. And we're learning about forms. These would be called spheres. And they have 1, 2, 3 spheres. Just like in math class, when you learn about spheres, in art class we talk about how spheres look and how we can create them out of the illusion of them from a 2-dimensional object like paper. All right, and so this is our snowman. I hope you had fun.